Welcome to the DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set age restriction in YouTube app. Start by opening YouTube app on your phone. Go to your profile and click on the gear button on the top right. Go to General and look for Restricted Mode. Toggle this on. Now the restricted mode is on. Keep in mind that YouTube does not offer a full age block inside the normal app. Restricted mode is the built-in way to limit mature videos. If you want a stronger age control, switch to YouTube Kid app or set up Google Family Link. With Family Link, you can manage child's Google account. Set age restriction. And Control app uses directly from the parent device. Once restricted mode is enabled, you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.